Welcome to the WallMantra Show. I'm your friend and host Harshita. So today we are going to tell you how to set up a magically beautiful living room. We all pay a lot of attention to decorate our living rooms because that is the place where we welcome our guests and spend time with our family. Start with the drapes. Always go with floor to ceiling drapes. This makes your ceiling wall look higher than it is. Every home is different and so is yours. Hence, you would require a sofa made as per your need, a customized sofa, so that it can fit in the corners precisely. Go for cushioning that is comfortable and ergonomic. Plants are living beings. Their presence in our interiors give a very calm and soothing vibe. No matter what kind of decor you're going for, don't forget to add some plants. You can play with some pots too. So folks, these are the few tips for today. For more, stay tuned to the WallMantra Show. Bye.